How to set up VS Code for Java. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up your VS Code for Java. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta download the Visual Studio Code. To do that, simply go to the search bar, type in VS Code, and then click on this. Simply click on download for Windows, and once it's downloaded, you gotta follow the wizard in order to correctly install the Visual Studio Code. You'll need to install Java into the Visual Studio Code that is in blue color. Make sure it's not Visual Studio, that is the purple one. So once you've installed it, you gotta go to the search bar and type in Java. Now first you gotta go to the search bar over here, type in CMD, and then you gotta type in Java and then -v. Now it would say Java is not recognized and as an external command, operable program or batch file. That means Java is not installed in your computer right now. So I'm going to type in version again, it would say the same thing. So what you're going to do is simply search for Java over here, and then you're going to click on this one that is getting started with Java. Simply scroll down and it is over here getting started. So you can click on install the coding pack for Java for Windows. Simply click on it and you'll be able to see that a coding pack has started downloaded. So just wait for it to get completed. So once it's installed, you're going to click on this over here, and then you'll be able to see a setup wizard pop up in front of you. That would look something like this. So you're going to click on next over here, and then it will say that there are required components are listed below, and you can click install to proceed. That is Java Development Kit, Visual Studio Code, and then click on next. And after that, you can see that it would start downloading. So just wait for it to get downloaded. So once it's done, you can simply click on finish and you'll be able to see that Java has been installed. So once it's done, you're going to click on file over here, click on new file, and then you can type in, for example, new2 and then click .java, press enter. So here you're going to click on simply like I'll choose desktop, click on create file, and then you can see that the Java file has been created. So then over here you can type in any of the Java code you have, and then you can run it and you'll be able to run it completely. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.